Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. So today we'll learn trigonometry exercise 11.3. Trigonometry exercise 11.3. In that sixth problem we'll see now. Sixth one, okay? Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. This is the problem, okay? Sixth one. Now we will see how to solve this problem. What they give? Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees to 45 degrees. That means here we have 75 degrees, no? That should be in between 0 to 45 degrees. This also same. 65 degrees should be in between 0 degrees to 45 degrees. But here sine place we can get any trigonometric ratio. Any trigonometric ratio will be there, okay? In cos place also. Cos also should be anything. Any one ratio you can get, no problem. Okay, we will see now. Given what they gave? Sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Now we need to change these angles. 75, 65 should be in between this range, 0 degrees to 45 degrees. And sine and cos may be anything. Here you can get cos or tan, anything should be there. But angle should be 0 to 45 degrees. Like that we have to convert. For this we have to use trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Observe here. We know that sine 90 degrees minus theta equals to cos theta. That we know, okay? Observe here. How much we have? 75. So 90 minus which angle gives 75? That theta plus we have to write. That means sine 90 degrees minus theta. How much we have to substitute for getting 75? So I will substitute here 15 degrees. 90 minus 15, 75. Okay? Equals to cos 15 degrees. So this is what sine 75 degrees is same as cos 15 degrees. So in this place, sine 75 place, we can write this one. Cos 15 we can write. In the same way, cos 65 how to get? Cos 90 degrees minus theta, we know that this answer is sine theta. But cos 65 we have now. So theta plus how much we have to substitute? 90 minus which angle gives 65? 90 minus 25 degrees equals to sine 25 degrees. Okay? Yes. Now cos 90 degrees minus 25, 65 degrees. 65 degrees equals to sine 25 degrees. Cos 65 is same as sine 25. Now replace these values. This one and this one replace there. That is the answer. Equals to sine 75, cos 15 we can write. Cos 15 we can write plus cos 65 sine 25 you can write. That's it. This is the answer. Now observe here, these two angles are 15 degrees, 25 degrees. In between these two range only, no, 0 degrees to 45 degrees. In between this only we have these two angles, and we have trigonometric ratio here. Trigonometric ratio. Okay, yes, completed now. So here 15 degrees and 25 degrees are between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So whatever they said, no, that only we got. They said that angles between 0 to 45, so 15 degrees, 25, in between this only you will get. And they said that we have to get some trigonometric ratio. Yes, sine place we got cos, cos place we got sine. That's it. Okay, thank you.